Hello beautiful people, welcome to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing you how to cook Dutch food. It's a mix of potatoes and greens and meat. Why talk? Come and join me and I'll show you everything that I'll be putting together. This is called in Dutch boerenkool. Welcome to my channel. Show you a close look. So those are potatoes and this is the coal. I already cooked it for 10 minutes because it was full on the pan and I didn't want to show that. And this is the close look for the bacon. So join me and let's start cooking. So I'm gonna start cooking my bacons. I hope you all can see this. And then I'm gonna take my sausage and then I'm going to add it on top of the boerenkool. So this sausage you just put it there because it just have to steam. Add all my bacon together. As you all can see, I'm still cooking and my bacon smelling really good. So I'm gonna continue cooking and when everything is almost done, I'll come back and show you how I'm mixing everything. Take like 20 minutes, so I'm going to leave everything cook for 20 minutes and I'll be right back and show you how I'm mixing everything. Stay tuned. So far so good. That is my bacon is cooking on, my potatoes are cooking. My boerenkool is cooking. We have to watch out not to burn ourselves. So when everything is ready, I'll show you how I'm mixing. And before that, I wanna make a shoe, a sauce, and then let me show you anyway. I have this is what they call shoe. I'm gonna be mixing it in the pan. Let me show you a close photo of how it should look. So that's how you add the sauce. Zoom, focused. It's not focusing. But anyway, I put in the pan and then I'm going to be adding water in it, but first I'm going to let it cook a little bit and then I'll add some water. So as you can see, the sauce is cooking. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to be adding some water. See? Like that amount. Because this is some fat. So we need to add some water to reduce that fat. Because our bacons, that is also a lot of fat in it. That's how we do that. So you have to stir it until everything is dissolved. There we go. So our soup is ready. So my bacon is ready. I'm going to pour it in a small plate. And by doing this, I'm trying to get all the fat from the pan. I hope you all can see all the remaining fat that you don't need. So that's my bacon, yummy, yummy. Let me see if I can some light here. There is my bacon. There we go. So everything is ready. What I'm going to do, I'm going to remove water from the greens. Let me show you a closer look. See, there's some water, so I'm going to remove all the water. And then let's start mixing. Reach the moment where we are all have been waiting for, mixing. So I have my potatoes drained. I'm going to mix everything there. I'm not going to put everything at once because we need to look if the boerenkool need to look that the boerenkool is not less like the other one. So I have this, if you can see that, is a smasher. So I'm going to be using this. And the reason why I use plastic, that is to protect also the pans. So I'm going to mix everything together like that. And of course, if you don't have something like this, you can use the same what we used to make the bacon with. So I'm gonna mix everything together. I hope you all can see this. Take your time, mix everything together, and if you think that you need to add more potatoes, go ahead and add. So this you can put to your own taste. So if you like more potatoes than the greens, you put more potatoes. If you like more greens than potatoes, you do that. So my mix is going the way I want, the right direction. I'm going to be adding my potatoes. Looks like I made a good portion, so I'm going to add everything. And let me show you how you can smash with this too. The reason why I take the potato smasher, because that goes quicker than this. That's the only reason. Here I'm gonna take my bacon and I'm going to be adding to the boerenkool. And because we did not use any oil, that's how you get a little bit some fatty. So I hope you all can see this. So here we go. Our boerenkool is messy meat. I like doing this, like putting it everything like flat, smoothly. Then I'm going to add my roast. There we go. So if you're wondering how you make boerenkool, that's how you make boerenkool. So this is my close look. That's how our boerenkool is done. Let me remove the sausage first so you can see. That's how it is. So what you do, you make a portion of that and then you come and grab your shoe here and then you add on top of it. I'll show you on a plate. This is how we serve our Dutch food. Remember, every day may not be good, but there's something good in every day. Never forget to love yourself. Until next time, thank you all for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell for more videos. Oh, Azita, oh yeah, it's on.